Most people focus on goals. That's not wrong. Goals give direction. But this video is about something quieter, something that actually shapes your days. Systems. Goals are often talked about as the main driver of success, but at their core, goals are just outcomes you hope to reach someday. A system is different. A system is what you do regularly, even when motivation is low. It's not about the finish line, it's about the process you repeat. Goals focus on results, systems focus on actions. One tells you where you want to go, the other decides whether you actually move. When you focus only on goals, progress can feel heavy and stressful. You're always measuring how far you still have to go. But when you focus on systems, things feel calmer. You show up, do the work for that day, and move on. The pressure reduces because the only question is whether you followed the system, not whether you achieved the result yet. For example, instead of setting a goal like, I want to score high marks, focus on a system like studying for 30 minutes every day. Instead of saying, I want to be fit, focus on the system of moving your body a little each day. The goal stays in the background. The system runs your life. As James Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So this isn't about giving up on goals. It's about placing your attention where it actually matters. Systems shape your days. Systems shape your habits. Systems quietly shape your future. Focus on what you repeat, not just what you want. I hope this helped. Thanks for listening. Have a beautiful day.